Hey everybody, it's Tom from Small Scale Life. Hey, welcome to the show. I am here in Rogers, Minnesota at their community garden. We're going to take a quick garden tour. Just take a little walk around, see what they got cooking. They got some really cool stuff. Another community garden. Let's check it out. Let's start now. All right, before we start, I just saw this across the street. So if you haven't seen this before, wondering what this is a straw bale garden. So they're using straw bales, hay bales, as mulch and to grow veggies. So that is a way of doing it. You can see the growth over there. Take note of that, remember that. And who knows, I don't know when they planted it. I don't know anything about that, but it's just kind of interesting to see the things you see when you're on the road. All right, let's start our tour. So behind me is the Rogers Community Garden, and looks like really nice garden beds. They've got a hose bib here. They've got recycling, garbage. That's awesome because, you know, you create waste when you're doing this stuff. And really nice, nicely constructed garden beds here. We're talking, gosh, it's probably a 10-footer, maybe a 12-footer. 4 feet wide. You got zucchini here, looking good. Oh, they've got a zucchini down there. Nice. Little downy mildew coming. That happens. But yeah, this is a great looking zucchini plant. We got beans. We got tomatoes. Other beans are climbing up the trellis. Interesting. Peppers. Oh man, I've had a really tough year with peppers, but these are looking good. Jalapenos, tomatoes, looking good. Over here, kind of fun. Looks like some carrots, onions, broccoli. They've already taken some of the broccoli. Very nice. More tomatoes. Looking good. Green beans, cukes, zucchini. Looking good. Ooh, look at these guys. Pretty cool. Very nice. It's kind of fun. They're getting some reddish tomatoes going on here too, and the cherries. Woohoo! Looking good. This one's rocking along. Very good. Oh, there's some peppers down there. Bell pepper right there. Usually when I see this, I'm thinking Japanese beetles. They do that. They love green beans. Got dill. Love dill. Really nice. Speak of the devil and they shall appear. The infamous Japanese beetle. So yeah, more dill. Love dill. Beans. I don't see any beans on the vine. Looks really good. Really strong. Onions. Very nice. Strawberries here. They're about done. These are sugar snap peas. I don't see any there. That's the power of dill. You know, when I went to Seed Savers Exchange down in Decorah, Iowa, they had a flower garden and a big bunch of dill just spread all across the flower garden. It smelled so good. Marigolds, the good companion planting. Green beans here. Tomatoes. Looking good. Looking good. Cukes over here. There's some cukes. Nice. So good to see. These are really great looking gardens. People are really taking care of these. Cherry tomatoes. Green bell peppers. Look at those. Big as my fist. Great. Really nice. Congrats to them. Just everything's looking great. Looking super good. Good job, folks. Carrots going on here. These guys looking good. Looking nice. Tons of green beans. There we go. Zook. Okay. So this is something you're gonna want to watch. This right here, that is looking like squash borer, potential squash borer in there, drilling away, or maybe something just nibbled on the zucchini plant, but that's a tell. If you see the sawdust looking like sawdust at the base of your zucchini, that's a squash borer, and they are eating away. Peppers, nice. Ooh, there we go. Tomatoes, peppers, and this is the 17th of July, so these folks are way ahead of the small scale garden, and that's okay. That's all right. We're all on our own time frame. Cucumber, tomatoes. It's fun. There's some nice cucumbers down there. Really cool. So you can just see people are at different levels, doing different things. Good view down here. Tomato cages, I hate them, but that's just me. Here we got our strawberry patch. Let me take you down strawberry fields. Strawberry fields forever. Very nice. And they got a little squash going on there. Very cool. Here's some flowers. Very good. All right, a little pause in the action here, but I'm back. So here we go. Some flowers here. We got open space, tomatoes, broccoli. Looks like they've been harvesting some off, trimming it back. That's gone to seed already. Pretty amazing. It is really amazing how advanced and far ahead some folks are compared to where I am. There's broccoli there. Nice. Peppers, very good. More tomatoes and zucchini here, or squash. Nice to see the tomatoes starting to come in for folks. Looking good, looking good. New tomato plant coming up. Peppers over there. Green beans. Yep, there's a green bean right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice bell pepper. Good stuff. And then we're back here. We've got tomatoes, peppers. Always fun to see the peppers. Peppers. This is where we started, everyone. So this is your second shot at this. So onions. Our zucchini friend. Zucchinis. It's great. Great to see. So yeah, I mean, this is common. Little downy mildew coming there. Oop, there's a big zucchini right there. There's another one right there. Some lettuce. Some more tomatoes. So overall, really nicely done. You can see the different styles and ways people trellis things in a tight space. A lot of tomato cages, different trellising types, more cages, tomato cages. These are kind of cool. These trellises, like these are kind of cool. Another trellis here, that's kind of cool. Getting stuff up so you can get at it and manage it. The broccoli. So all in all, really nice garden plot. Garbage, recycle, and water. Soil, you have nutrients, you've got sun, you have these big trees that could impact it in the morning. Cottonwoods there. The sun, this is gonna go over to the west, so it's gonna get good afternoon sun. So, very nicely done. Kudos to the city of Rogers for providing this and all the gardeners up here in Rogers, Minnesota. Places look great. Really nicely done. Hope you have a bountiful harvest this year and continue to have fun gardening. Hope you don't have any pests and no critters. I'm surprised the deer haven't come through and mowed everything down, but it looks really good. Really nicely done. So this is Tom from Small Scale Life. Remember to learn to grow, be a little better every day. Hopefully you found something in this video that you found interesting and that you can use in your own garden. And we'll be doing some more of these as we go along. And I would love to go back and actually film some of the gardens that I saw earlier this spring. I gotta make sure that I do that. So remember, learn to grow, be a little better every day. This is Tom from Small Scale Life.